Oh, she is this. Let's count. Ruth, how happy are you?
Hello my correct people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and locations. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you all so much for your love and support. If you haven't liked and shared this video, do well to like and share this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified by YouTube. So my correct people, this is now the update of Ruth Mathew, where he be say he just trend the here and there for internet concerning her pikin wey waka kurukere for inside Professor Jeremiah church omoto fufu. Right now, so my people now know say the video where I first see carry come when they take go arrest this woman, and this woman come dey under custody of Professor Jeremiah ever since. Right now my people, they don release this woman now. This woman now dey go meet her children wey she don leave for house. It's how many days wey the matter just dey waka here and there, and the children also now will see dey watch everything for inside this video, where the children also still go meet their mother for the hotel where they lodge their mother put, that is Ruth Mathew. So my people, make I just leave una, make una watch the video by una sef. If today na your first time when they come across this channel, make you no forget to like and share this video, subscribe, turn on the bell so that anytime when I bring a new video, you go notified by YouTube. Hope to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Sorry, excuse me. You're making me run. You're going this way, right? Yeah, go. Let's use the. Oh, she is this. Let's count. Ruth, how happy are you?
I'm very so happy. I don't deserve this.
You deserve it. You deserve more, my love.
Thank you very much.
You deserve more. You deserve more.
I really appreciate for everything, for loving me so much. Prof X is my daddy, Mr. Ruth. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for everything. Thank you. I'm happy. Thank you. But I don't deserve this. I don't even know if. Thank you very much, Daddy Prof X. Thank you. I appreciate. God bless all of you. God bless you for making me happy just like that. Oh, thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy too much. I really appreciate you too much. Thank you.
Mention your daddy's name. Who is your daddy?
Prof X.
Who is your daddy?
Prof X.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
X, my daddy. That's my special daddy.
Mr. Pull the trigger.
It's my daddy. Prof X is my daddy.
Okay.
Thank you, Jesus. I thank everybody all over the world for your support towards my life. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, everybody, for taking away pains from me, for wiping away my tears. Thank you. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you. So, thank you, sir. Going into her room. Moment, I really appreciate. Thank you for beautifying my life like this. Daddy Prof S, thank you very much. Thank you, I really appreciate. Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. Okay, hello, you're Emmanuel. What's your name? Shalom. What's your name? Tryon. You're cute. Very cute. Okay, so come up and go. So you see your mother. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, say hello.
Hi. Can you say hello?
He's tough now.
Okay, so bye.
Bye, you're on tough floor now.
Bye-bye. Okay, so here we are. You want to see your mommy? Yes. Do you guys miss your mommy? Yes. You miss your mommy? Yes. Okay, so here we go. Let's surprise her. You're welcome. We're gonna see your mommy. Here we are. We're going in. Here we are. Aww. Hi, Triumph, right? How are you, boy? I'm fine. Big boy.
Think about your life. Why don't you ask questions? Please share. The whole world is watching you. Nothing should happen to this lady. Nothing should happen to Ruth, Mathew. We are here for you. People are on ground already. Some people have already traveled down. Okay, just calm down. Your children are fine. You say?
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you. Continue taking her. I will meet you. Yes, look at them. Please share. I said I will give them madness. If it's madness you want, I'll give you madness. Okay? So